On the channel, we've explored how AI can build full-stack applications, and don't get me wrong, some tools deliver nearly perfect results, but we've also ran into issues like clunky UIs, outdated designs, or components that just don't work together. Well, today, I have a solution to this, and this is where I'm going to showcase how you can build high-quality, fully functional full-stack apps with AI that doesn't require a single line of code to be written, using a powerful platform we haven't featured on this channel. Allow me to introduce Bubble AI. Bubble is a full-stack, no-code visual development tool that lets anyone from solo founders to enterprise teams build and launch production-ready apps in minutes. It is something that can automate front-end designs, database setups, and app logic, acting as both your designer and developer. You can go from an idea to a live app without writing a single line of code within a day. For example, my digital CMO is a website or a SaaS site that was fully developed by Bubble, and this is a site that has functional features that were all coded out with the help of Bubble. And this is the type of quality that you would get outputted with this app. From creating marketplaces to creating internal tools to even developing your own AI SaaS, you can do it all with Bubble. And guys, the best part is you can start building for free to get a good grasp as to what Bubble is truly about. So what I want you guys to do is go ahead with the link in the description below and click on it so that you can create an account completely for free, either with a Google account or with your email address. Before we get started, I just want to mention that you should definitely go ahead and subscribe to the World of AI newsletter. I'm constantly posting different newsletters on a weekly basis, so this is where you can easily get up-to-date knowledge about what is happening in the AI space. So definitely go ahead and subscribe, as this is completely for free. Once you create an account or log in with Bubble, you're going to be then sent over to the main dashboard of Bubble. This is where you can either start from scratch, where you can build everything your own way, or you can create an app with the AI. With creating your app from scratch, you have the ability to use all of these different elements within the builder to help you build your app. And they have a workflow builder that lets you configure the backend, your database, the styling, adding plugins with different integrations, and so much more. You also have ready-made templates that you can easily adopt to use for your own use case, from different categories like e-commerce all the way to CRM dashboards. But if that's still not enough, you can use the AI feature to create anything with natural language. Now, just to give you some context, Bubble AI is a sub-feature or a sub-product of Bubble IO. And in this case, it is an AI builder that can take your prompt and build it for you. You just need to simply describe an idea and the AI builds it for you in a couple of minutes. Like in this case, I wanted to create a modern website, which is an AI Academy site that teaches users about AI. The app is going to feature a couple of components, and we're going to tell the AI to actually build this out. Now, before I actually generate my blueprint, what you can do is head over back to the main dashboard and click on Build Guides. This is essentially where you can describe your app idea, and it will actually help you map out the features you want to actually build. So you can paste this in and you will get this generation, which Bubble.io gives you a good step-by-step analysis as to how you can change your prompt to get a better output. And once you have configured this, you can go back into the AI builder and generate your blueprint. This is where it'll take a couple seconds to have Bubble.io focus on creating a plan to create your application. So it'll take a couple seconds and it will then develop this blueprint. So our website is going to be named AI Academy, and you have a couple of user stories as to how users achieve their goals in this app. You have a couple of key features listed out. Now, what you can also do is refine your app blueprint by typing in what you want to add or change from this AI blueprint. But if you're good with this, you can simply click on generate, and this will focus on having the AI agent deployed to generate your app within a couple of minutes. And there we go. Just like that, we have our AI Academy full-on front page generated. And you can see it focused on all the things I wanted to have on my front page, which was the learning path, the recommended courses, recent activity, and then the footer. Now, what you can also do is, say if you want to work on generating the next pages, you can click on this drop-down menu and you can click on this new button and select the page with AI button. If you click on this, you can actually have the AI generate on the next couple of pages. And essentially, this is a great way for you to work on developing your MVP faster than ever before. Now, an underrated feature of Bubble is that they have their own database linked up to whatever app that you create. Now, say if you want to enhance the capabilities of your app even further, you can head over to the plugins section and you can add new plugins from different categories, from AI all the way to something like adding charts. And this is essentially a way for you to easily get additional functionalities to your app. For example, if you want to add a payment provider, you can use Stripe, or you can use many of these other components that enhance your app's functionality. Something I really like about Bubble is that you can manage backend workflows too. So in this case, you can easily understand all the database triggers. Now, I know I love working with AI, but I also love how Bubble has their own drag and drop builder. In this case, you can add in different components into your app. So if I want to add a video, I can then add this video element and then drag it into the desired place I would want. So I want it underneath recent activities. I want to make sure the layout is aligned, and I can also change the size of this. So in this case, I can make it a little bit larger and then change the width so that it is appealing. And there we go. But now say you want to add an actual image or a video to this placeholder. Well, you just need to simply change the video source to whatever you want to add. In this case, since it's a YouTube video, we're going to keep it as YouTube, but we're going to go into my channel and select the random video and then copy the actual video ID code. You can find this within the URL. It's usually the last digits after the equal sign, and then you can copy that and paste it in over here. And once you have done so, you can then click on the play button to actually take a preview of your website. And then on the bottom, you'll be able to see the preview of the video that had now been added. It's that simple. But in the same manner, you can do a lot more and make it a lot better based off your own specification. So rather than coding on your own, you can use this drag and drop builder to fully develop your app. Now here is another example of Bubble AI generating this e-commerce CRM dashboard. Now this is just a basic template that gets you access to the CRM dashboard, and it is something that has a lot of functionality. So if you actually take a look at this in a full preview mode, you'll be able to see that it is something that has a fully functional auth system set up where you can create an account. And once you create an account, you can actually view the CRM dashboard, which is fully functional. And all of these components were fully generated by Bubble. This is why I say that this is probably one of the best available full stack development tools that not only is able to set up a database, but it's able to fully generate all the components for you. And you can see that it is also capable of deploying your app for you. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord, where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. Now, to keep it real with you, some features are still evolving, especially around the AI generated UI components, as it's still currently in beta. But even so, the potential here is seriously impressive, and I'm excited to see where Bubble takes this. But that's basically it, guys, for today's video on Bubble. It's truly a game changer in terms of building full stack applications, which requires no code at all, as you saw. And the best part is this AI feature that we had taken a look at was only in beta. It still has a lot more to come out with, and it's something that I'll keep you guys posted on Twitter as well as on the channel. But that's basically it, guys. Use the link in the description below so that you can easily get started with Bubble. Make sure you go ahead and join our newsletter as well as our Discord. Follow me on Twitter to stay up to date with the latest AI news. And lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos because there's a lot of content that you will truly benefit from. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.